Hi, sweeties. So, hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And I want to introduce you to the newest member of our channel here, and this is Tiger. And Tiger is a Sheltie puppy. So you're going to be seeing him now on our YouTube channel, and he does have a YouTube channel of his own, and I will have a link down in the description for it so you can follow his adventures, his puppy adventures, and he's hilarious and comical to watch. So last year Mikey passed away, and we got a new puppy this year in February. So I wanted to show him. He's on here. We are trying to get a YouTube channel established for him. If you could please help share his videos and his page, his YouTube page, we'd really appreciate it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button on time to put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.